ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like responses to text inputs. It is essentially a pre-trained version of GPT that has been fine-tuned specifically for conversational purposes. To use ChatGPT, you can interact with it through a chat interface. There are several websites and applications that offer ChatGPT functionality, but one of the most popular options is the OpenAI Playground. Here is a step-by-step tutorial for using ChatGPT in the OpenAI Playground. You will need to sign up for an OpenAI account. Here's how. 1. Go to the OpenAI website at https://chat.openai.com/auth/login. 2. Click on the Sign Up button of the screen. 3. Or sign in with email. 4. Fill out the registration form with email address and password. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. 5. Once you have completed the registration form, click on the Continue button. Once your account is verified, go to the email and click Verify Email Address. Fill the first name and last name. Enter phone number. Choose the Chat with GPT-3 option. Log into the OpenAI Playground using the same email address and password you used to create your OpenAI account. You should now be able to use ChatGPT in the OpenAI Playground by following the instructions provided in the chat interface. It's important to note that while ChatGPT is very good at generating human-like responses, it is still a machine learning model and may occasionally produce nonsensical or inappropriate responses. It's always a good idea to use ChatGPT responsibly and carefully review its output before sharing it with others. ITMaster is now available in all major languages in the world. To enable CC, click the Setting button and select your language. Then, click the Auto Translate button. Thanks for watching ITMaster channel.